Well, hello. Uh, Thursday evening, Thursday, January 8th, 2026. It's about 11:20 and a little before 11:20, 17 p.m. Long day. I'm tired. I was in the process of finishing my dinner. Didn't quite get it all done, but yeah, I'll finish that when I get done here. More food. Well, I'm liking riding the little Click, Honda Click. Uh, it it's light and easy to move. So yeah, I'm trying to find a place that has an ADV Honda ADV 160. Uh, I don't know. I'm gonna try it, rent it for a couple days, see how I like it. That'll be sometime next week, probably. That or it'll be a Suzuki Bergman or maybe a Fazio. Yeah, trying to get it all figured out. Anyway, helmet. Yeah, they let you have one of those when you rent a bike. Actually, that one's not bad. Fits decent. So, yay. Uh, my issue with it is it's not very high quality. Of course, it might be that it's old and it had a lot of people in and out of it, and that's why things are kind of pulling apart. I don't know. But I do need to find my own. So that's one of the things I was riding around looking at today was helmets. Uh, yeah, I got on the north south highway for the east side of the island, the one that goes from all the way down at the bottom of the island all the way to the top of the island, and right through the middle of Cebu. And I was, yeah, way more traffic than what I want to deal with. And let me tell you, I'd rather be in California's nightmare traffic. Uh, you might not go anywhere, but yeah. No, actually, I like the fact that it does go. And it's just very stressful. Uh, things, people popping out, cars popping out. Yeah, but it works. I'm just having a bit of a system shock. Uh, Second day of riding bike or the motorcycle scooter, and yeah, a little on the stressed out side. But I did get over to Mactan Island and cruise around part of Lapu Lapu. I did find a couple of motorcycles today that I want, I'm considering. And then I also found an apartment over there. I looked at. They want too much for it, and it's way up high, and I don't like way up high. Seventh floor, I think it was. Yeah, I don't like that high up off the ground. Second floor, you can jump out, no problem. Third floor, you can jump out. It's gonna hurt a little bit. Fourth floor, it's gonna hurt a lot. Fifth, you're probably dead. Or if you're not dead, you're really hurt up and messed up bad. The sixth, seventh, eighth, yeah, that's just you're dead. There ain't no second thoughts about it. You're dead. Yeah. Needless to say, I could have afforded the price on it. It's about the same as what I'm paying here, but it's way up in the air, and I didn't like that. So it got zeroed. 59.166 for today's rate just popped up. My email. Yay. Part of me wishes I'd have got some money moved over and grabbed some today while it was still up a bit. But yeah, I'll hit some tomorrow and be happy with it. Anything over 55 is real good. And 58 or 59, yeah. So happy camper mode. I think most of the stress is that I'm not used to it and I'm running around instead of actually just riding and enjoying it. Because the sections where I just break open and ride, I'm more relaxed. It's okay. Even though there's a bunch of people. But yeah, there's some sections of the highway there that are, yeah, a little bit on the tense side. But I have a couple of leads on some apartments and such going to the north. I need a compass. uh, I think that's the north. Somewhere back that way. Anyway, maybe it's the east. I ain't even gonna try to figure it out. But yeah, that trip up to through Lalone and to now yesterday, I did see a couple of signs. I think I'm gonna try to go back that direction and see what I can find for a house or an apartment. So, yay, we'll see. Uh, mm, I'm tired. And I came home, sat down, had food, and fell asleep for about 2 hours. Woke up, started doing the search for Facebooks on the marketplace, and a couple of the people that I've friended started chatting with me. Got a phone call. Yay. Uh, I'm not used to video calls. Getting better with it. uh, anyway, I'm going to get this one in the can, call it a day. Because quite honestly, after eating that little bit, it's time to go to sleep. Yeah, I got some more food in me, and I probably shouldn't go just straight to sleep, but I'm tired. It's been a long day, and I want to get up and do things again tomorrow. Uh, and I can tell you, even riding a little lightweight scooter is exercise. Yeah, maybe my legs ain't getting exercised as much as I want to admit, but exercising the core muscles, staying up, moving around on the bike. Yeah. I remember when I was a kid and running around doing some bike racing and shit. Eh, stupid stuff. Yeah. And then I see people go flying past me, and I look down and I'm going 60, and they're passing me. So they're doing at least 80 kilometers. Now, 60 kilometers ain't shit. What, 35, 40 miles an hour? But guess what? Somebody went past me way faster, left me like I was standing still. Yeah, I don't want to get there. But hey, things are moving. I'm going to call it. I'm tired. Y'all have a good day and blessings. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and more food. This is Fish. Fish is out. Later blessings and bye bye. There